Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the other voter's registration status. This saves time and avoids dead ends. Once done, collect the missing ID identifying details, full name, date of birth, and current address, because these are the keys election staff will use to search records. Make sure to obtain explicit written consent from the voter or legal authority, since privacy rules matter. Without consent, officials may refuse to release ID information. This step prevents wasted trips and ensures you're complying with state rules. Next, you contact the county or state election office to submit a formal request. Phone first to confirm the exact form and hours. Then complete the specific request form, often called a voter information or authorization form, because generic requests can be rejected. Bring your own photo ID, the voter's written consent, and be ready to pay small processing fees. This speeds review. If staff ask for additional verification, provide it promptly so the office can locate the record without delay. Finally, collect the certified copy or official guidance for replacing the lost ID. Election staff will often issue next steps or a replacement process. If your request is denied, ask for a written explanation and the exact reason, then follow the appeal or resubmission instructions right away. Timing matters. Make sure to keep copies of all forms, emails, receipts, and the names of staff you spoke with, because those records are crucial if you must escalate or refile. One tip: remain calm and persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.